How do you identify, describe, and name quarters? Anna is hiding a silver coin in a bag. The coin is larger than a nickel and has bumpy edges. What's the name of this coin? It's a quarter. Click it to see the word quarter. Quarter. A quarter is silver or gray. It has a picture of George Washington, our first president, on the front. This side is called heads. The other side of the coin is called tails. Flip the quarter over and take a look. This quarter has a picture of Texas on the back, but there are also quarters with pictures of other states or national parks. Other quarters may have a picture of an eagle. Even if the pictures are different, every quarter has the same size, shape, and color. The edges are also bumpy. You can use all of this information to tell if a coin is a quarter. You can count quarters one by one, just like you count with counters. This group of coins has pennies and quarters. How many quarters do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 quarters. Count each quarter one time. How many quarters are there? Let's count. Click the quarters to get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 quarters. It doesn't matter if the quarters are heads up or tails up or which picture is shown. They're all still quarters. Let's flip over the quarters and count again. How many quarters are there now? You're right. There are still 9 quarters.